Hello mga kabangbang, we are here at the streets of Robinson's place, Iloilo city proper, and we are going inside to see the electronic vehicle. Oh, I found this. Look, so cute. Wholesale and retail. Oh, ang ganda nun. Gusto kong bilhin yung organizer kasi it's only 250 pesos compared to our car. Just. Pero we'll see kung makakaya natin and if worth it yung price for the e-car. JETOUR ice cream e-car. It's a 4-seater pero kasyang 5 kung maliliit kayo. Down payment is 79,000 and total price is 759,000. So they have there the blueberry, this is matcha, and this is strawberry. Let's try kung kasya ba tayo. Is it too small? Is it too big for us? Fit siya sa akong arms. No, not really, no. Lifespan niya expected is 8 years, no? Before we change the battery. Okay, I am here at Atrium sa pharmacy. Bumili tayo ng gamot, so it's a no for a car and it's a no for an organizer. Alright! Yay! There you go, mga kabangbang. We are now back in our car and this is our car in comparison to the EV kanina. And comment down below if you think it's worth to sell our this one or keep it and just say goodbye to the EV. Alright, but for now, I'll say goodbye to you all. Bye! Nadula. Grabe, it's so fast. So, unfortunately, I lost my card and pumunta ako dito ulit sa Robinson's. And ayun, printing na. So, easy pala to use GoTime. Robinson's. Yay! I'm so happy! Like, seriously, I'm really, really happy. Kahit hindi natin afford yung bagong car. At nagdadalawang isip tayong ibenta yung ating beloved car. Not toothless. Medyo hindi pa ako ready. Hindi pa negotiable si toothless na for sale. But, I don't know. I really don't know. So, there you go. That ends my day after work. And hopefully, madadala ko kayo soon. Kasi there's something exciting happening to me because of my profession. Alright, bye-bye everyone. Thank you, GoTime. Thank you mga ate. Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. Rubeinspired!